Hi guys, welcome to another new blazing season of environmental conservation with me, your most bankable TV host, Mohammed Mwanahawa, and today the heat is focused in the mighty Kibabii University.
Focusing on the green power of trees, the natural world speaks to us in colors, and none is more powerful or symbolic than the brilliant hue of green. From the dense ancient canopies of the rainforest to the humble leaves in your own backyard, green is the signature of life itself, the shade of clean air, cool water, and vibrant health. It is a color that represents nature's tireless work ethic. Through an intricate process called photosynthesis, trees act as the lungs of our planet, transforming sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into the oxygen we breathe. The lush green we see is the visual evidence of this biological alchemy in action. In the grand story of environmental conservation, these green leaves are vital heroes. They symbolize resilience and hope. A sea of green helps absorb pollutants, stabilize the soil, mitigate the effects of climate change, and provide essential habitats for countless species. When we commit to protecting our environment, we are essentially safeguarding this beautiful essential green, its color of a promise, a thriving, balanced world for all who call Earth home. Imagine a world where lush green forests turn into barren lands and crystal clear rivers become murky and polluted. This stark reality is why environmental conservation is not merely a choice, but a necessity for our survival and the well-being of future generations. To kick off, environmental conservation describes efforts by individuals, communities, and governments to sustainably manage and protect the natural world. Its core purpose is to prevent environmental degradation and protect natural resources like clean water, air, plants, and animals. The natural world speaks to us in colors, and none is more powerful than the green hue that covers the environment. And beyond this critical function, the aesthetic beauty of the color green in our environment offers profound psychological and emotional benefits. Studies have consistently shown that exposure to natural green spaces reduces stress, improves concentration, and enhances overall well-being. This visual connection to nature is a universal human need, reminding us that environmental beauty isn't a luxury, it's a fundamental part of a healthy, balanced life. The simple act of walking among trees and absorbing their vibrant color rejuvenates our minds and inspires peace. Therefore, our vital role in conservation is not just a duty to the planet's ecosystem, but a commitment to maintaining this vital source of beauty and calm. By preserving trees, nurturing parks, and restoring damaged landscapes, we ensure that the exquisite environmental artistry of the green hue remains painted across our world. It's the color of our shared heritage and the palette we leave for the future.
As we continue to explore environmental conservation in Kibabii University, let's take a short break to pita madukani kidogo, and when we come back, guess what? I'll be bringing you another full story before we wind up on what we are talking about today.
I wore your gray, I played it small, bit my tongue, stood by the wall. Now look who's loud, who's walking tall. You lost your queen, I had it all. You liked me quiet, soft and sweet, but sugar melts in too much heat. I found my fire.
Welcome back again. Maintaining a green environment is paramount for the sustainability of life on Earth. A verdant landscape rich with trees, plants, and natural ecosystems acts as the planet's primary air filtration system, continuously absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the essential oxygen humans and animals need to breathe. Beyond just air quality, green spaces significantly mitigate the effects of climate change. Urban greening, in particular, combats the heat island effect by providing shade and releasing water vapor, which lowers ambient temperatures and reduces energy demands for cooling. 3. These environments also play a crucial role in water management by absorbing rainwater, which helps replenish groundwater reserves and prevents flash flooding and soil erosion. From a human well-being perspective, proximity to nature demonstrably reduces stress levels, improves mental health outcomes, and encourages physical activity, fostering healthier, more resilient communities. Fundamentally, a green environment supports biodiversity, offering vital habitats for countless species, ensuring the complex web of life remains intact. Neglecting this maintenance threatens ecological balance, making the ongoing effort to preserve and cultivate green spaces not merely a nice idea, but a crucial necessity for our collective future health and survival. The campus of Kibabii University is a verdant oasis where today our show was present, where the green hue is richly layered and ever present. Students and visitors are immediately immersed in a landscape characterized by extensive, well-maintained green lawns that offer ample space for students to study, relax, and socialize, forming the heart of campus life. Again, the environment is rich with diverse plant life, including various indigenous trees and ornamental plants, which contribute significantly to the university's aesthetic appeal and clean air. The university actively engages in tree planting initiatives, which adds to a developing canopy that provides shade, lowers ambient temperatures, and supports local biodiversity. Situated in Bungoma County, the university benefits from a tropical climate with seasonal rains, which keeps the environment naturally lush and green throughout the year. This beautiful serene setting is a point of pride, reflecting a commitment to environmental stewardship and a healthy, inspiring atmosphere for the community. The true green hue of our world isn't just a color, it's the vibrant signature of life itself, an intricate masterpiece painted across our planet. And to summarize it all, from the silent towering giants of the ancient redwood forest to the delicate moss that clings to a single stone, this hue represents a continuous life-sustaining cycle. It is the brilliant promise of clean air being forged in countless leaves, the quiet resilience of a river purifying itself as it flows through an untouched landscape, and the hidden power of the soil filtering the very water we drink. This universal green connects every living thing, providing not just vital habitat for species seen and unseen, but a sanctuary for the human spirit, a place of quiet restoration that reminds us of our place within this vast, beautiful ecosystem. And to conserve this emerald beauty, isn't merely an act of preservation, it's an acknowledgement that our own survival is intrinsically linked to the health and vibrancy of the world around us. We continue our exploration of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the vital role each component plays in the health of our planet.
And that's all the time we've had here on environmental conservation here on Power TV. And remember, always keep the fire burning. Don't ever give a deaf ear on anything that is brought up that concerns the environment, conserving the environment, maybe bad or good. Don't relent. Anyways, on behalf of my team, I've been Mohammed Mwanahawa. Let's meet next week on another episode of Environmental Conservation. Until next time, bye.
Zikhuluma nami